Judge rejects Trump's attempt to delay hush money trial amid immunity claims. In a significant legal blow to former President Donald Trump, Manhattan Judge Juan M. Merchan dismissed his bid to delay his hush money trial until the Supreme Court rules on his immunity claims. The decision marks a setback for Trump's defense strategy, which sought to exclude evidence from his presidential tenure, citing immunity protections. Hello and welcome back to the News Media Hands channel. Trump's delay tactics and intimidation seem not to work with Judge Juan Merchan in New York hush money payments. Let's dive deeper into the latest ruling that confirms the imminence of Trump's first criminal trial. As always, remember that we value your comments and feedback, and your subscriptions help grow the channel. Thank you, and let's get started. Merchan deemed the timing of Trump's defense team's filing as untimely, questioning the sincerity of their motives and raising the immunity issue well after the pretrial motions deadline had passed. The hush money case centers on allegations that Trump falsified internal records to conceal payments to his former lawyer, Michael Cohen, who facilitated the suppression of negative stories during Trump's 2016 presidential campaign. Trump faces 34 felony counts of falsifying business records, vehemently denying any wrongdoing and asserting that the payments were legitimate legal expenses. Despite ongoing efforts by Trump's legal team to delay the trial, Merchan set the trial date for April 15, marking the first of Trump's 4 criminal cases to proceed before a jury. Trump's legal maneuvers, including attempts to secure trial delays and calls for Merchan's recusal, underscore the high-stakes nature of the proceedings. Prosecutors have pushed back against delays, arguing that media attention generated by the trial is a consequence of Trump's own rhetoric. The case has raised broader questions about presidential immunity, with previous rulings suggesting that actions such as hush money payments do not constitute official duties, challenging Trump's assertions of immunity. In recent legal filings, lawyers representing former President Donald Trump have requested that his trial be postponed indefinitely until the media coverage of the case becomes less biased. They also argue that the prosecutors in the liberal borough are attempting to use the trial as a means to hold a referendum on Trump's win in the 2016 election. On Wednesday, Judge Merchan ruled that former President Trump's failure to raise the issue of immunity earlier was not credible. This is because his lawyers had previously argued for presidential immunity in a failed attempt to move the hush money case from state court to federal court last year. U.S. District Judge Alvin Hellerstein rejected Trump's claim that the allegations in the hush money indictment involved official duties, wrote the author last July. The evidence overwhelmingly suggests that the matter was purely a personal item of the president, a cover-up of an embarrassing event. Hush money paid to an adult film star is not related to a president's official acts. It does not reflect in any way the color of the president's official duties, added Hellerstein. It has not been legally tested whether a former president can be prosecuted at the federal level for official acts performed while in office. The prosecutors in the Washington case have stated that there is no such immunity and that none of the alleged actions in the indictment qualify as official acts. Both the trial judge in Washington and a federal appeals court have ruled against Trump. The rejection of Trump's delay request signals the trial's imminent commencement and intensifies scrutiny on the former president's legal predicament. As the trial date approaches, Trump's defense team faces mounting pressure to mount a robust defense amid the backdrop of public and legal scrutiny. Meanwhile, the outcome of the trial could have significant implications for Trump's future legal battles and political ambitions, as he seeks to navigate a complex legal landscape while maintaining his public persona and political influence. The Hans Geniuses, do you believe this trial will start on April 15 as scheduled despite Trump delay tactics? Thanks for watching. If you like it, comment and hit the like and share buttons. Subscribe for future videos.